Alright, here's the second Minka Aire Concept II ceiling fan. In case you haven't seen the first video, this one is the second one I have. I'm using the other one's globe for it. This one's in a little bit more rough shape. It has a lot of splatters all over it. I'm not really sure what that's from. And they're pretty much impossible to get off. But, yeah, so without further ado, this is from the same year as the other one. But, the light bulb I didn't put in there because the other one has the halogen bulb and I just want to refrain from touching it as much as I can. But I'll start it off on low. This one's in reverse. I forgot to go up there and switch the direction on this one. So sorry about that. This pretty much operates the same as the other one too. It's about up to speed on low. Here's medium. And then here's high. This one's gonna wobble around a little bit. Some blades are the clock. Off. One thing about these, if I don't know if I mentioned it in the other video, these things are really heavy. These are easily weigh over 35 pounds, maybe even 30, but they're kind of a bitch to put up. But that's about it though. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.